Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Confidential. Okay, raise your hand if you had way too much overindulgence over the 4th of July, right? Too many cocktails, too much potato salad, which is damn good by the way, too many desserts, and too much of a little bit of everything. All right, so I was gonna make this and I thought, oh, I wanted to hop on really fast because I'm gonna share it with all of you. When I overindulge on the weekend or maybe been on vacation, and I mean, who hasn't done that? There are 3 things that I do to get totally back on track and to help stave off like the calories from catching up with me. 3 main things that I do. I go extra hard on the cardio, and I just finished my supercharged cardio detox workout. There's a link down below in the video description. I tweak my diet, meaning I cut all carbs for 2 to 3 days. And the special sauce, the thing that I do is I make my skinny detox water. This really helps to rehydrate your body, which when your body is dehydrated, that's what contributes to bloat. It also dehydrates your skin, and this helps to re-nourish your skin as well. Anti-inflammatory properties, reduces bloat, rehydrates your entire body. 5 simple ingredients: lemon, cucumber, fresh grated ginger, mint, and of course, fresh water. You're gonna drink this over the course of 2 days. And if you want to know more about my 2-day detox, there's a link down below to my blog. Super easy to read and super easy to do. It's just a 2-day plan for you. All right, very easy. Let me show you how I made it. And that's it, ladies. Super easy. It's actually kind of like spa water. You just make sure to let it steep overnight, or you can make it in the morning and then it'll be ready in the evening. But you want all of those flavors and that to meld. And I just sip this over the next couple of days. All right, for this recipe and more health, wellness, beauty, fitness, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.